Alright, I'm out here at the former old Highway 20 crossing, where as you can see the crossing's also been closed. Don't see any signs of the old signals, so that's a bit of a shame, but oh well. As you can see, they are putting in some new wayside signals here. Right here is going to be a new gantry, and right down there they've already got a new mast in. This is the east end of the future yard. That's of the new yard that's going in here. So I don't know how often I'll be coming out here after I've seen. I don't know how often I'll be coming out here anymore, because I mean this is the new. Because there won't be any crossings between Belmina and Seggers Road down that way. Probably gonna go take a look at next before I head to downtown Aston. So yeah, a shame that this is now gone, but I mean, save Huntsville up. I mean, kind of hard to have the end of a yard here, especially with the gantry right there, if you have a crossing. So I guess it makes sense that they had to close it, and also save Huntsville widened some overpasses out here. So yeah, just update to old highway, to what used to be old Highway 20. So now this means there are no more mechanical bells in Limestone County either, because this was the last one. So yeah, over and out.